You sh-
Nanny said,
You shut up. You shut up.
whoa.
You shut your beak.
Oh, Nanny. What'd Nanny say?
You jerk. Yeah, she said you're a jerk.
Oh, gosh. Oh, my goodness. You mouthy.
Shark. I'm a shark.
Maybe she sharted? Because you said that she smelled, too. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness, Cos. You
jerk. Yeah, you're a jerk. I can smell you upstairs. That's how stinky you are.
Oh, man. Oh, man, what'd she say? Oh, Nanny.
Jerk. I'm a jerk forever.
Oh, my goodness.
You're happy about that, are you?
Oh, my goodness.
Shh. Shh.
Oh.
You shush.
She telling you shush up.
Not again, jerk.
Not again, jerk, she said.
Yes, again.
Oh, my goodness, Kazi. Nanny looked right at... Yes, Mommy went to see the baby, and Nanny looked after you.
And now you're dissing me.
Oh, man.
I'm never going to look after you again, you little jerk.
Kazi, you be nice to Nanny. Give her kisses. Say, sorry, Nan. Say, love you, Nan.
I don't think that's going to happen.
You stop, she said.
You stop.
Whoa. Nanny getting mouthy. She is. She's getting mouthy at you.
No, she's taken off. She had enough of that.
Oh, man, Kazi.
Kazi is a jerk.
Oh, man. Nanny's getting mouthy to Cosmo. Hey, Cos? What's Nanny doing? Hmm?
Oh, she knows. You got the...
Woo!
Are you happy, Bert?
You happy, girl? That Mommy's home now? You happy. I love you. I missed you, baby. I missed you. Give me kisses. Did Nanny look after you? Was Nanny nice to you? Did you give Nanny kisses? Aw.
Yeah, you did.
You good girl.
And you told me you love me.
Aw, you told Nanny?
You be crapping.
You be crapping.
What's that got to do with... She's on a kick here.
Oh, my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Who be crapping?
Away.
Cosmo be...
You're shark.
You're a shark. Cosmo, I think you sharted. Not sharked. I think you poopied. Ew.
Ew. Smelly Kazi.
Nanny call you smelly.
You jerk. I know I'm a jerk, but you are too.
Oh my goodness, Cos.
You're a poopy bird.
What'd she call you? Stupid? Is that what you said?
Growl?
You gonna growl? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna growl. Rawr.
Oh, scary Nanny. That's a scary Nanny.
Jerk.
Everything's your jerk right now.
Kazi bird.
Kazi bird. That's right.
Yeah, Kazi bird for sure. Shh. You shush. Shh.
Whoa. She tell you to shut your mouth. Shut your beaky. You tell Nan.
You stop. You stop. If you stop, I stop.
Oh.
Jerk.
Whoa.